In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gain subscribers with Google Ads and effectively increase your YouTube subscribers. If you're looking to grow your YouTube channel and reach a wider audience, then this guide is tailor-made for you. We're diving into the steps on how to set up your Google Ads to help you gain more subscribers, so let's get started. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Google Ads website. This platform is a fantastic tool for getting new customers and maximizing your online presence through tailored advertising. Once you've landed on their homepage, the next step is to sign in. Use your Google account details to log in securely, and you'll find yourself on the Google Ads homepage. This space will be your control center, full of various options and tools to help you craft the perfect ad campaign for attracting new subscribers. From the homepage, proceed to the overview section. Here you get a broad view of your current campaigns and how they're performing. This can be a wealth of information, especially when you're looking to refine and enhance your campaign strategies. Keep an eye on this area as it provides valuable insights into what's working and what isn't, enabling you to adjust your approach for better results. Now it's time to dive into the campaigns themselves. Click on campaign to begin if you haven't already created one. This is where you'll set things up. Next, you'll want to select the campaign type that best suits your goal, which in this case is increasing your website's traffic. When you're setting up a campaign specifically aimed at boosting YouTube subscribers, choosing the website traffic option is a strategic move. It directs interested users straight to your channel or specific video content that showcases your brand or message. Click continue to proceed, and now you reach a crucial step, selecting a video to promote. This is where you should strategically pick a video that has a high conversion rate or one that you believe will best attract and retain viewer interest. Promoting high quality and engaging content ensures that viewers will not only watch but also hit that subscribe button to see more of your amazing work. And there you have it, the foundational steps to use Google Ads for attracting more subscribers to your YouTube channel. Remember, the key to successful advertising lies in regularly monitoring your campaign's performance and making the necessary adjustments to keep improving your results. Don't hesitate to tweak your approach based on the insights you gather from the overview section, and always aim to put your best content forward. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on growing your online presence.